In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view incomplete payments in Jotform. This is a handy feature that helps you keep track of any payments that haven't been fully processed so you can follow up accordingly. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through each step with ease. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once logged in, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu located right beside the Jotform logo. It's this menu that will help us navigate the platform's various features. With that drop-down menu open, select My Tables. This will bring us to where all of your forms are stored. Upon arriving here, you'll be presented with a list of all the forms and tables you've created or have access to. Find the one you're interested in, and next to its name there will be an option called View Table. Click on that and it will open the corresponding data table for the selected form. Now that you have the table open, direct your attention to the three dots icon. You'll find this next to the name of the main tab. Clicking on these three dots reveals a context menu with various options specific to the table you're viewing. One of those options will be labelled as pending payments or incomplete submissions. Jotform might use either of these terms, but they both refer to the same feature we're after: accessing submissions with unfinished payment processes. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed. Once in the pending payments or incomplete submissions section, you'll see a list of submissions where payments haven't been completed. This area provides a detailed overview, letting you review each submission thoroughly. You can see who has yet to complete their payment, and if necessary you have the ability to take action on these entries. From here there are a couple of ways you can manage these pending submissions. If a particular payment issue has been resolved outside of Jotform, you can mark the submission as complete. Alternatively, if you need to remind a submitter about their incomplete payment, there's an option to send out a friendly reminder too. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage incomplete payments in Jotform. Whether marking submissions complete or reminding users about their pending payments, this feature provides a streamlined approach to handling your form payment processing. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.